Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm just going to show you the front face of GoRaven's AI systems. So rather than showing you all the fancy stuff behind the scenes, I'm just going to give you a little look at what it could do for your business by showing you what it does for mine. So I'm going to click on the G right in the bottom corner here, and I've got options here. I can click via live chat, which is just an online web chat agent. I can chat with voice, which is what I'm going to show you. Chat with Facebook is just connected to my Facebook page. So let's click chat with voice and let's see. Going to allow it to use my mic.
Hey, you're through to GoRaven Digital. I'm Raven, your Summer of AI guide. What would you like to know?
I'd just like to know a little bit more about how AI can help my business out.
Absolutely, I'd be happy to help with that. Before diving into the details, can I ask a bit about your business? What kind of work do you do?
I'm a local landscaper.
Got it, a local landscaper. That's great. How are you currently managing things like finding new clients or keeping in touch with your existing ones? Is it mostly word of mouth or are you doing some online marketing too?
Yeah, I post on Facebook as much as I can. And in terms of keeping in touch with folk, I just tend to send them a text message or an email when they need to pay their invoice.
Makes sense. Facebook's great for visibility, and it sounds like you're keeping things personal with texts and emails. But I imagine that can get a bit time consuming, especially when you're juggling everything else. What's the most time consuming part of running your business outside of the actual landscaping work?
Probably keeping on top of invoices, chasing payments. I guess keeping in touch with customers for ongoing work as well. Try to communicate kind of how we're getting on, that kind of thing.
Got it. Staying on top of invoices and keeping customers updated sounds like it takes a fair bit of your time. I can see how that would get tricky when you're out on jobs all day. If you could hand off one of those tasks, which would make the biggest difference for you?
Overall, I'll probably say invoicing and payments.
That makes total sense. Chasing payments can be such a drain, especially when you've got so much else to focus on. Thanks for sharing that. Before I explain how our Summer of AI offer could help with that, could I grab your name and contact details? That way I can make sure we're all set to follow up with any info you might need. What's your first and last name?
Yeah, my name is Stephen McPhee.
Thanks, Stephen. And what's the best email address to reach you on?
That's Stephen at GoRaven.digital, and my name is spelled with a PH, not a V.
Got it, Stephen. So that's STEPHEN at GORAVEN.digital, correct?
That's right.
Perfect. Thanks for confirming. Now let me walk you through how our Summer of AI offer could help with those invoicing and payment tasks you mentioned. With this offer, we set up AI tools tailored to your business. For example, we can automate your invoicing process, sending out invoices, following up on late payments, and even sending reminders to customers, all without you having to lift a finger. It's like having a virtual assistant working in the background while you focus on your landscaping jobs. It also helps with customer communication. You can keep clients updated on ongoing work with automated messages or even set up a system to answer common questions, like availability or pricing. So you're not tied to your phone all day. And the best part? It's all designed to save you time and make sure nothing slips through the cracks. How does that sound so far?
Sounds great.
I'm so glad to hear that, Stephen. Would it be worth setting up a quick chat with Stephen from our team? It's completely no obligation. What day works best for you? Earlier or later in the week?
You know what? I'll call it quits here. We will discuss this at a further time. I'll be in touch.
No problem at all, Stephen. Thanks for your time and feel free to reach out whenever you're ready to chat more. Have a great evening.
So as you can see there, that was very much tailored to what GoRaven could do for me if I were a landscaper. So you can feel free to go and try this yourself. Go into GoRaven.digital, give it a call and see how it might help your business out. And I'd love to chat to you more about that too. Even things like, it picked up the PH of my name. I tried it out earlier and I said it was Stephen at GoRaven.digital, and then it said, is it STEV? And I said, no, it's PH. And then it fixed that too. So it's pretty amazing. And it can do everything that it says it can do. And that's what I would show you in another video, the background stuff of how it all works. But if you're interested in that, then feel free to leave a comment with any questions, or just get in touch with me or speak to our AI agent and ask any questions that you have to it. Thanks.